Alright guys, as we continue on, as you can see me getting this deck up, now I'm doing my step ups. Alright, and all I'm using for my steps up are simply 2x8s. Alright, 2x8s thick, 8 inches wide. Alright, these are usually rated for ground contact. The ones that post up there are 2x6. Those are not rated for ground contact, so you have to elevate them off the ground. So I wanted something on ground contact. Don't want to put down any type of base, what it may be. Just want to pretty much level it out and just lay it down, and it's done. And I have it tied into the deck. All right, so I got one side done already. Now I have to just do the additional side on this side here. And that's pretty much it. And we're pretty much just making boxes. All right, cut them, put some joists. The joist between is about 1 foot spacing apart, which gives enough stability so when people step on it, there's no flexing. It's never gonna move. So that's what I'm doing now. Once I get this side done, laying down the decking. Now, this is my first time doing any type of composite decking, so this can be a learning experience. I'm just making sure I'm reinforcing everything. I'm making sure I have enough overlap so when I drill down with my decking, I got enough spaces to screw it in. So it's coming along. All right, I'm happy with the results, and that's it, guys. All right, let's continue on with this. Okay, guys, this is a basic, beginner's tip. All right, I have 2 equal sides here. This is gonna be my steps. All right, and just basic. If you want everything to line up and center, butt the 2 ends together, and just simply when you make one line on one piece of wood, just transfer that one to the next one. Just all I'm doing, just taking my square. Again, it's just basic, guys. I'm gonna mark it here, overlap it to this one. Actually, these up a little longer. See, I got my little square here, and it touches this piece of wood. I'm just gonna mark it so I know when I go on this side and I make my line, both lines are in the exact same position. So when they're opposite of each other, when I take my joist, I'll just line it up center to both of these, and I know I'm perfectly in line with the other joist on the other side of that. So again, just a basic tip. I just felt I needed to put that in there for guys who are doing this for the very first time. All right, and that's it. Again, make sure when you cut your wood, you measure off a nice clean cut that's nice and squared, and then you measure off that line. Don't measure off the factory cut because it's going to be off. And that's pretty much it. So right now I'm just making my little steps. This is about 106 inches long, and I have each joist about 1 foot apart. So it's been set up just like this. On the opposite side, when I drill in, we have the lines that'll take it right to the center. And that's pretty much it. All right, so I just want to give that little tip to you. And let's continue on with the time lapse. All right, guys? Any questions, please hit me in the comments and below. This is how I'm doing it. All right? There's many other techniques out there to help you, to show you how to do this. I just find that this is much easier for my skill set, how I'm approaching this project. All right? So let's keep it moving. All right? Okay guys, here we go. As you can see, it's all done. Got my step up my stairs, level. Alright, frame is done. So now, what I have to do now is simply go pick up the composite decking, start installing. I may have to come back and put a little more support for that composite decking to make sure everything has its proper points. But overall, I think this whole frame is pretty much done. Alright, so guys, I'm going to end this video with this framing. I hope it helped you out. Any questions, hit me up in the comments. I'll put a parts list down there and any other type of affiliate links down there that supports the channel. I really do appreciate it. Alright, and guys, if you picked up this gazebo and it's from Odd Lots, tell me how you think about it. How was it easy for you to put up? It's definitely a two-man job. Alright, a two-person job, I should say. If you have at least 3 people, that's ideal. And again, always have at least, if you have a minimum of 2 ladders. If you have 3, again, that's the more the merrier. And that's pretty much it. Alright, guys, check you out. Check out the next episode when we put down the composite decking on this. Later.